Well, it certainly was an interesting year when it comes to our weather here in Maryland. We saw blizzard-like conditions in Ocean City. That was something else. We unfortunately saw Ellicott City flooded out once again, taking a life with it. We even had a deadly tornado that touched down in Baltimore City. All of this while recording the wettest year ever when it comes to rainfall. We were just a couple of days into January when a strong low off the Atlantic coast brought a little snow to the Baltimore area, but pounded Ocean City and the eastern shore with blizzard conditions and more than a foot of snow.
Yeah, we are dealing with blizzard-like conditions down here in Ocean City right now. What does that mean? Well, that means whipping winds, blowing around snow. We have gusts out here right now, 49 miles per hour reported at the airport here in Ocean City.
A few months later, another low-pressure system moving across the U.S. brought with it widespread damaging winds throughout our region. We're talking sustained winds of more than 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70. Unfortunately, the wind event was deadly. A 77-year-old woman was killed when a tree fell on her. Some of the worst damage was seen in Howard County as well.
We whipped this up in like 5 minutes. It's awesome snow for a snowman.
March 21st, Mother Nature told us she wasn't quite done yet with the winter weather, delivering an early spring snowstorm that brought several inches of snow to the entire region, canceling schools and causing a lot of trouble on the roads. Then, about 2 months later, on May 27th, the unthinkable happened once again.
I'm hearing that there are people who are on second and third floor apartments who can't get out because the street is flooded.
On May 27th, for the second time in just 22 months, between 6 inches and a foot of rain fell in a short amount of time, flooding historic Ellicott City once again. One man died while trying to help a stranded motorist, and first responders were overwhelmed with almost 1,200 calls for service that day. And rain was really the story the entire summer. There were numerous storms that brought several inches of rain at a time, flooding out bridges like here in Baltimore County and taking the life of a woman who was trying to help another in Harford County.
I was trying to pull her up and she just couldn't hold on. I couldn't hold on to her and just swept her away.
The region also felt the effects of more rain from 2 hurricanes. Hurricane Florence, which did more damage to the south of us, but still packed a punch.
Things have deteriorated here within the past couple of hours.
And by the time it reached us, Tropical Storm Michael was quick, but still dumped several more inches of rain about a month later. Then, a month after that, an unusual weather event. November 3rd, 2 EF1 tornadoes touched down, one here at the Amazon facility in Baltimore City. Unfortunately, 2 workers were killed when a wall collapsed there, and a second one in Mount Airy, which damaged a shopping center and tore down countless trees in a mobile home community.
Snowplows and salt trucks back to work in northern Baltimore County.
And 2 weeks later, Mother Nature again showing a little bit of a sense of humor. A late fall snow on November 15th, crippling the region, dumping more than 6 inches of snow in some spots. Add to that more rain in the weeks to come, and it's official. 2018 is now the wettest year on record. Here's to hoping we dry out a little in 2019. I'm meteorologist Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.